This video will teach you how to print frozen panes on every page in Excel. Click the Page Layout tab. Click Print Titles. Enter the rows that you want to print on each page next to rows to repeat at top. Enter the columns that you want to print on each page next to columns to repeat at left. Make sure you're in the Sheets tab if you don't see rows to repeat at top and columns to repeat at left. Click OK. Click Print Preview instead to see a preview of your page layout. When you're ready to continue, you can print the document. Click OK. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.